But I'd say what you used to see is security's job was to install like antivirus on someone's laptop, and that was now you were secure.
Yep.
And
just a password and an antivirus tool. That's cybersecurity 20 years ago.
Definitely. There was identity in concept. I mean, it was just Active Directory or something like that was your identity.
Yep.
And interestingly enough, I would say that there's probably still the number one attack back there is compromised credentials, and the number one attack, for really significant attacks is compromised credentials now. So I think not much has changed there. Antivirus has just evolved. You've got super powerful agents now. I don't really get into all the shortenings and acronyms. I don't keep up with XDRs and all whatever the heck all it means. It's
a lot of DRs.
It's all the same stuff. Just really powerful agents that can consume a lot of intel. Coming locally from the boxes. It's going to do a much better job than looking for signs and signatures. So I think security was probably fundamentally an IT problem.
Yep.
It was just a tech thing. Even probably going back maybe 12 years, something like that. Just throughout the early 2000s, I think security was just a tech problem, and then now it's breaking out a lot, and it's fundamentally driven by risk, driven by data security, driven by you're seeing privacy coming under the banner of security, and I think Australia's probably a fair bit behind on the privacy stakes compared to some of the EU, UK, their GDPRs, and even the US.